In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Facebook Business Manager invite. If someone has added you to a Facebook business account, the process is usually quick, but it helps to know exactly what to look for so nothing gets missed. The first thing you need to do is open the email account where you received the invitation. This is important because Facebook or Meta typically sends the invite directly by email, and that message contains the link you'll use to join. Once you're in your inbox, look for an email from Meta or Facebook. The subject line will usually mention joining a business, getting access to a business account, or being invited to a business portfolio. If you have a crowded inbox, it may help to check your promotions, updates, or spam folders as well, just in case the message didn't land in your main inbox. When you find the invitation email, open it and look for the main action button. In most cases, this will say Get Started or Accept Invitation. Click that button to continue. This should take you directly to Facebook so you can review the invitation. At that point, you may be asked to log into your Facebook account. If that happens, just sign in with the Facebook profile that should receive the business access. Make sure you're using the correct account because accepting with the wrong profile can cause confusion later, especially if you manage multiple Facebook accounts. After logging in, Facebook will show you the business invitation details. Take a moment to review the access you're being given. This is where you can confirm what business or business portfolio is inviting you and what level of access has been assigned. It's always a good idea to read this carefully so you understand what permissions you'll have before accepting. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click accept. Once you do that, you'll officially join the business portfolio and be connected to the business account through your Facebook profile. If the invite doesn't open properly or if the link has expired, you may need to ask the sender to resend the invitation. And if you're already logged into a different Facebook account in your browser, signing out first can sometimes help avoid errors. That's all it takes to accept a Facebook Business Manager invite. Follow those prompts carefully, review your access before confirming, and you should be set up in just a few minutes.